Okay guys, I want to show you how this works. You push that up, that opens it. I have the lever in for the K-cup, so we put one in. I have a 12-ounce cup. I want to leave room for creamer, so I'm going to select 10-ounce. Does 6 through 14, and then I'm going to hit the brew button, and you'll see it brew. One thing I must say is it's nice and compact. It has a nice water reservoir. It holds up to 40 ounces. And yeah, it's going to start brewing. Bit of vanilla flavor, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm so excited. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, so maybe this will entice me to drink more coffee. You could hear it brewing. As it stands, it's been just about a minute and a half, and right off the bat, I'm noticing we do have a descaling option. I didn't see anything about having to use distilled water, but that may not be a bad idea. I know distilled water is good for other machines that hold water, because descaling can be tedious. However, it doesn't say anything in the directions. See that steam, so you know you're getting a nice warm cup of joe. There you have it, people. You see how flavorful the coffee is, but the machine, 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs up.